Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. This is the first video of 2024 that we're going to be doing. This is January the 2nd. We have a brand new 2024. I believe it's a 24. I haven't checked the books yet to see exactly what year it is, so it might be a 25. Hold on, I'll tell you. No, this is a 2024 GMC 2500 Denali. We're going to be doing a 4-inch lift kit from Cognito on it with some factory replica wheel 22s, the ones you guys have been seeing on the channel. Very excited about these. You're going to love it. And we're going to be doing some 37-inch Toyo Open Country MT tires. We've been doing a lot of all-terrains on these trucks lately, and I'm glad to see a set of Toyos. You know, the MTs is one of my favorite tires. That's going to be amazing on this truck. And we're doing also some, I think it's some Recon fender trim lights. So stay tuned and get ready. I'm going to flip the camera around real fast and show you this truck. And a lot of guys have been asking me about these trucks, like in the background with the wheels knocked off of them. No, the lift kits aren't failing. There's nothing happening other than accidents. Customers are getting hit or hitting things, and there's an F-150 on the other side of the parking lot that's like that too. So no stress about the bearings. It's just it's accident damage. You know, if you hit something hard enough, it's gonna break. So let me know what you think about the truck. Here it is. Right away, the first thing that jumps out to me on this truck is the fender trim is already painted. These trucks come with a flat black fender trim, and it's hideous to me. I can't stand it. But you can buy those from GM already pre-painted right there in the box. So you just take them out, pop them in. It's a couple-hour install. Today, after the lift kit is done, we're going to be doing the side markers here in a dark, like a black color, which is going to be awesome. The truck's also getting some wheel lights and some rock lights, so stay tuned for that. Pretty excited about this one. All right, so I want to explain one thing to you guys real quick. I've had this question a few times. These wheels are getting a little bit more popular now, and what we have here, if you haven't heard me in the past videos, this is a 22-inch OEM replica wheel. What that means is this is a design that GM originally put on one of these new trucks in a 20-inch or maybe a 22-inch. I'm not totally sure, but it wasn't in this color. So this is a company out of Carolina that makes replica wheels that look like GM wheels. They just make them in different finishes and different styles and different sizes. So this one is called the OE Concepts G21. What's cool about it is it fits like a factory style wheel. It doesn't stick out of the fender, and it allows these big tires to go on there like this 37, 12, 50, 22. It allows them to go on with just a leveling kit or a small 4-inch lift or something like that. What I wanted to tell you about now, though, is the center caps. So being that this is a replica company, this is not GM, obviously. So they give you this center cap right here. It's a very, very blank, plain Jane center cap. There's me. To be honest with you, I think it's hideous. I think if you just bought these wheels and just left these caps on here, I'm not a huge fan. I really am not. So, oh, it won't pop in. Well, the good thing is, this cap is exactly the same shape as every single GMC and Chevrolet wheel. So you can take your factory center caps, or you can buy new center caps if they're a different color from GM and they actually work. So what I got right here is straight from the dealership, Denali cap. I only have one hand here to pop this in, so I'm probably not gonna be able to do it, but if you can see right here, hold on. You can see right here, this Denali cap pops right into that wheel. Even though this is not a GM wheel, that cap fits good and it looks like a stock wheel now. So my recommendation, if you're buying these from us or anywhere else, buy the caps, don't be a cheapo. So these wheels are very hard to get right now. This is the last set that we had. We had 6 sets and now we have none. I have an order in with OE Concepts for the next shipment that they get. I should have 5 or 6 of those sets coming in. So if you guys have any questions about these, you want a price on them, you want to put a set on back order, just shoot me a call. I can put a deposit on a set and you'll get the next ones available. Thank you. Well, the truck's not totally done yet, although it does look amazing. I could go ahead and just film it, like the final clips of it now, but I'm gonna save that for the back pad of the shop here. I like doing it back there better. I just wanted to go ahead and show you one more time the wheels and tires. This is a 37 1250 22 Toyo Open Country MT. This tire is probably I don't know, 12 to 15 year old design, and it still just looks amazing to me. They haven't really been able to top it yet. The tread on it's nice and deep. It rides smooth. It's quiet. I mean, quiet for a mud tire. You hear a little noise out of it, but just all around, you buy one of these expensive trucks and this tire makes it just feel nice. You know what I mean? Real quick, the 24 watt Infinite Off-Road rock lights are right there. And we didn't do wheel lights on this truck. I don't think there's really room. Well, there is room, but there's really 2500s. People don't really buy wheel lights a lot. I don't know why that is, but truck looks phenomenal. We still have a couple things to do on it. We have a bed cover to install on this truck still, so stay tuned for that. Man, this thing looks good. I know you guys love the interior shots of this truck, so I'll go over it real quick. I've told you guys the Denali and the Denali Ultimate have a little bit different interior. As far as the dash goes and all the stuff up here, I think it's all about the same. The Denali gets a black leather interior right here without that Ultimate badge that you see on the Denali Ultimates, but I am 100% a bigger fan of the black leather interior than I am of the brown. Some of you bougie guys like that brown better, but for me, I'm a tire guy, so there's always black grease on my pants, so these black leather seats hide it better. That's the only reason, but the truck looks phenomenal on the inside and out. truck turned out absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's a setup that we do all the time. You know that the 4-inch Cognito lift on this truck is the perfect height to do a 37-inch tire with this stock OEM replica wheel that we're putting on at 22-inch. This guy drove all the way from South Carolina. Actually, he sent a driver. I think he is in Turks, and I don't even know what the place is called. But anyway, he sent his driver up here. He brought me a golden retriever to hang out with for a little bit while he's here. So it's been a good day. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys the truck. Let me know what you think. It's this beautiful silver color, so there's not gonna be very many people hating on this truck, I don't think. All right, so here it is. This is a 2024, I believe, GMC 3500 Denali. It does have the Duramax 6.6 engine in it. That's the good one to get with this one. It's the best they offer. The truck looks phenomenal. We did the 4-inch Cognito lift kit. This is the, I believe, the Performance Series that comes with the Fox reservoir shocks. Here's the cross member. Very sleek and subtle. Puts all of your factory angles. Actually, the angle on this lift kit is probably better than the factory axle angle because it does drop the differential down here. So that's phenomenal. It comes with the upper control arms from Cognito here. And then it comes with the Fox reservoir shock, if you see it down there. Beautiful shock. Of course, we also did the 24-watt infinite off-road rock lights on this truck. And the tires we did were the 37 1250 22 Toyo Open Country MT. I told you about that tire earlier. I love it. With the OE Concepts 22-inch G21 is the name of this wheel. And of course, we got the Denali caps from the dealership to go with it. Good thing about this wheel is it doesn't stick out of the truck, which allows us to put this big 37-inch tire without having to cut a whole bunch. Now, this truck isn't completely done. The trimming that we did do on the truck is right here. It's not smoothed out yet. They're still gonna go in here and sand this smooth and make everything look perfect. I just had to get the truck and video it before the sun went down on us. In the back right here, they usually have a mud flap that hangs down to like right here on this truck. We took those off and we used the sharptruck.com mud flap delete kit. What's cool about this is you see it on the front here, looks amazing. But the back of the truck also comes with those big mud flaps. Sharptruck.com supplies us a 6-piece kit that takes that one off and it takes this one off, and it makes it look uniform with the front. Seems like that's the only way to go to me. Truck's about to be finished up and put back on the road. If you guys have any questions about this truck or you want to price anything like this, please feel free to call me. My number is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. And thanks for watching.
You're going to come through the camera. You ready?
Later, buddy. Have a safe trip.